Okay, guys, so with me here is another distinguished Honorable Olusegun Olulade Eleniyan. What's going on? How are you doing, sir?
Oh, I'm fine, and we are having it good because we are doing good here.
Even your cap says it all, Eleniyan.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, so tell me, what are your advices for the participants of this great MSMEs?
I think they must take advantage of what is going on today. It's something that has never happened to us, especially in Lagos East. It's going to add more value to the economy of Lagos East. It's going to change the narrative. This is a different aspect of our politics. We are seeing governance in action. We are seeing good representation in action. We are seeing Senator Tokunbo Abiru demonstrating good leadership and encouraging other people to join the force. And I think with this, it's a revolution. It's an economical revolution that is taking place in Lagos East Senatorial District.
Well, I think two things go together here. Three things, in fact.
Okay.
Entrepreneurship as employment for young people in particular. They have to come out and flow with the times. The times for large-scale employment in big corporations is over. They are now empowered digitally and technologically. So their calling is that they should look around, look at the services and the products that are required, apply technology to them. As we were told, the world is their market. So they are looking to provide goods and services for the whole world, and they are able to do it just as much as a big multinational. So to that extent, this occasion is really about them being empowered to grow the economy. We've heard that 80% of employment is from the small and medium scale sector of the economy.
Again, with me here is another dignitary that I hold in high esteem, Senator Anthony Adefuye. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Fine.
So tell me how excited you had to be here this morning.
Well, I'm so excited because I'm surprised at what I discovered here today.
Right.
And I think it's going to be, it's going to help me a lot. And it's going to help most especially the young ones who are here today. Technology has really done so well that we have not discovered.
Right.
So coming here today has made me to discover what I can do with technology. So many things you can do with technology. You don't even need to go and open a big office now. You can market from your room. You can market from anywhere as long as you follow the rules of technology.
Can you tell me one challenge that you think entrepreneurs are facing out there?
I think it's the area of financing, and it has to do with the banking system. Our banks are not encouraging SMEs. They are not supporting SMEs as expected, and I think it is important that that challenge is taken off.
I think the Senator has done very well. This is about the third program I'm attending that really revealing. We are happy to have him as our Senator, and we hope he will continue to do more and more for the people. Now, he concentrates on the people, on the grassroots. You can see this program will really enlighten people in the East. Last month, he gave scholarship to all our students in the high institutions, and so many things like that he has done. I hope God will continue to help him.
Amen.
He is doing what we expected of him by having such people go to the Senate, go to an important area of legislation and of governance in Nigeria. What we expect of him is not only to do a good job in terms of lawmaking, but to come back and impact meaningfully, particularly within his constituency, to bring them knowledge, to bring them finance, and to bring them opportunity, particularly for the youngsters That is what he's doing. We are happy with him. We're proud of him. We want him to keep it up.